everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the 7 best free Android apps you should absolutely try this May 2024. Let's get started. First up, we have Splitwise. This app is a lifesaver when it comes to managing group expenses and shared bills. Whether you're splitting rent with roommates, traveling with friends, or sharing expenses with family, Splitwise keeps everything organized. Next, we have Photomath. If math isn't your strongest suit, the app is a game changer. Just snap a photo of a math problem and Photomath will provide step-by-step solutions. From basic arithmetic to advanced calculus, Photomath covers it all. Plus, it's a great tool for learning, not just for getting answers. Our third pick is Sleep Cycle. Say goodbye to groggy mornings with this intelligent alarm clock. Sleep Cycle energizes your sleep patterns and wakes you up during your lightest sleep phase. This way, you wake up feeling more refreshed and ready to tackle the day. It's like having a personal sleep coach in your pocket. For all you readers out there, check out Libby. This app connects you to your local library digital collection, giving you access to thousands of ebooks and audiobooks for free. You can borrow and read instantly anywhere, anytime. It's perfect for bookworms on the go. Next on the list is TickTick, a versatile to-do list and task manager app. Whether you need to organize your work, school projects, or daily errands, TickTick has got you covered. Now, next up, we have Canva. If you love graphic design or need to create stunning visuals for social media, Canva is a must have. With its user friendly interface and tons of templates, you can create professional designs in minutes. No design skills required. Last but not the least, we have Trello. This app is fantastic for project management and collaboration. Organize tasks, create boards, and work with your team seamlessly. And there you have it. 7 amazing free Android apps to try this May 2024. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.